Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn SAS similarity. According to SAS similarity, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these are proportional, then two triangles are similar. So students, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are given to us. In this triangle, angle A equals to angle D and AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Ratio of the sides AB and DE, AC and DF are given, and angle A equals to angle D. We have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So to prove this, we have to do construction. We can cut DP equals to AB from DE and DQ equals to AC from DF and join PQ. Now students, in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, AB equals to DP by construction, angle A equals to angle D given, and AC equal to DQ by construction. Side angle, side, it means triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS congruency. When triangles are congruent, then we can say triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. Congruent triangles are always similar. This is equation number 1. Student, this ratio is given to us. AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF. Given. But student, AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ by construction. So at the place of AB we can write DP and at the place of AC we can write DQ. So it will become DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. Then we can say PQ parallel to EF by converse of BPT. Okay, when PQ parallel to EF, then we can say angle DPQ equals to angle E and angle DQP equals to angle F, corresponding angle. So when these corresponding angles are equal, then we can say triangle DPQ similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. So it is equation number 2. So from equation number 2 and equation number 1, you can see DPQ and DPQ are same. Then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Hence proved. Now students, let us solve some questions related to similarity. Question number 1, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Show that AO upon OB equals to CO upon OD. Now student, how can we prove this? First of all, we have to write given ABCD is trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. Always remember, we have to write the information given from the question. Let us draw the diagram. ABCD is trapezium student. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel to DC and diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. To prove students, we have to prove AO upon OB equals to CO upon OD. Okay students, now proof. Students, you can see here, if we similar these two triangles, then we can get this, because we know that the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. That's why I am going to similar these two triangles in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Student, angle AOB equals to angle COD. Vertically opposite angle, student. Angle OAB equals to angle OCD. OAB equals to angle OCD. These are alternate in triangle. Okay, students. Then two angles are equal. Then we can say triangles are similar. Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Students, when you are going to write triangles are similar, then you have to remember the name of second triangle should be written properly according to first triangle name. I have written AOB. Then you can see AOB I have written. So angle A equals to angle C. So at the place of A, C should be there. And at the place of B, D should be there, because angle B equals to angle D. That's why second triangle name you have to write properly, students. Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. Okay, students. Now, students, we know that when triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So AO upon CO equals to OB upon OD equals to AB upon CD. We will take first two, student, then last two letters, then first and last letter. So here we need AO upon CO equals to OB upon OD only. By CTST, corresponding part of similar triangle. Now, student, do cross multiplication. AO into OD equal to OB into OC. Now, student, we can write this statement like this also. AO upon OB, then CO upon OD. When we do cross multiplication, we can get same. Okay, students, this we have to prove, student. Hence, proved. Let us solve one more question. The diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect the segment AE at point F, where E is any point on the side BC. Prove that DF into EF equals to FB into FA. So how can you prove? First of all, we have to write given. We have to write given from the questions. In parallelogram ABCD, the diagonal BD intersect the segment AE at the point F, where E is any point on BC. And formation I have written from the question. Let us draw the diagram. ABCD is a parallelogram, student. Diagonal BD I have drawn. Then intersect the line segment AE. AE is the line segment. Intersect AE at F, and E is any point on BC. Okay, students. This we have to prove, student. DF into EF equals to FB into FA. All the terms not have any power, student. DF, EF, FB, FA. So this kind of question will be solved by similar triangle method. So how can we find out which triangle we have to similar? We can take from question, student. We need DF and FA. So in triangle DFA, we need FB and FE. So in triangle FBE, yeah, BFE. Okay, students. In triangle DFA and triangle BFE, let us similar them, students. Angle DFA equals to angle BFE, vertically opposite. Second angle ADF equals to FBE. You can see Z is there, student. This line parallel. So these are alternate interior angle. So triangle DFA similar to triangle BFE. As I told you, second triangle name we have to write properly. So angle D equals to angle B, student, you can see. That's why at the place of D I have written B. Angle F equals to angle F because vertically opposite, students. Then last angle A and E should be written. By A similarity criterion, both triangles are similar. Now student, as you know that when triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So DF upon BF equals to FA upon FE. Or if we need, we can write DA upon BE. But it is not required, only two parts are needed. Now cross multiplication DF into FE equals to BF into FA. This is, student, we have to prove. Okay then, students, have a nice day.